I just made over $1,000 doing this, and all I did was I came over to this website over here, just copied a little bit of text like this, came over to this free tool over here, pasted it over here, click on go, and that's as easy as that. This is worldwide and it's really easy to do. This is not a copy and paste spam affiliate link everywhere method. This is not affiliate marketing. This is not CPA marketing. In fact, this is not selling anything at all. This is not surveys. This is not creating videos and being in front of a camera the whole time. And this is not social media. You don't need any social media following. This is going to be something brand new. You're really going to like this one, so let's get straight into it. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? My name is Jay from the channel Millionaire Mindset, and I'm a full-time drop servicer, and I run multiple 4- and 5-figure drop servicing stores. My recent biggest store generated over 6 figures in just 2020 alone. So if you want to see how I sell high-income skills and services, making huge profit as the man in the middle without actually doing the work myself, that's about $500 to $600 per day profit. Go to the first link in the description below. It will help you out. There's a whole free training and video over there that will teach you more about that. But on this channel over here, I'm uploading daily free value, free courses on different ways that I use to make money online. So if you want to become an online entrepreneur, make money online and work from home, from your couch or wherever in the world really, go down below and subscribe down below with that bar on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one. Alright guys, so we're now inside of Google, and let me show you guys how I made over $1,000 doing this just using the power of Google Engine and 1 or 2 other tools as well. And you can do this again and again. You can do this full-time if you want to. This is a great side hustle. If you want to do this on the side of whatever you're doing now, whether it's a full-time job or your own business, this is a great way to make some extra income if you want to do it on the side, or you can do this as a full-time hustle. And what's also fantastic about this, you can choose how you want to get paid. So if PayPal's not supported in your country, you can always choose to get paid via Bitcoin or direct bank transfer, wire transfer, Ethereum, or any other kind of payment method that's accepted in your country. You can actually go and choose how you want to get paid. So there's not only PayPal, but obviously PayPal being one of the most popular and common ways to get paid. And also that I got paid via PayPal. That's why I mentioned PayPal money in the title of this video. And the first step is to come over to this website over here. Make sure to keep watching because I'm going to reveal this in a bit. And this website is basically a digital newspaper where they list a whole bunch of different news articles and websites that are basically talking about the various different news and updates that's happening around the world right now. Such as this year, Tom Cruise threatens to fire the Mission Impossible movie crew. Harry and Meghan sign a deal with Spotify. So this is all some of the most interesting news that is trending around the world right now. And I know this kind of seems weird. How on earth are we going to make money with this? But make sure to keep watching because you can easily make over $1,000 with this, just like I did. And on the left-hand side over here, guys, you have news categories of news that's happening in various different categories all over the world right now. So you can choose by your local country. You can also choose worldwide news, see what kind of news is trending in the world right now. You can also go your local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health are all different categories that we can use. I suggest stick to business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health as the different niches that we can go and use to make huge PayPal money with this. So you'll see here, if I choose health, for example, on the left-hand side over here, it's going to filter by all the health relative and news happening around the world right now, such as health is coming, US workers start getting vaccines. So it's all about the latest updates. And you can see this was posted just 2 days ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago. It's all modern articles and news and situations that's happening around the world right now. And what you need to do is you just need to open up any one of these articles. You just want to find something that seems interesting, that maybe has something that a lot of people would click on. And don't worry, we're not going to be writing our own articles or spamming affiliate links everywhere in these articles. It's got nothing to do with that. It's very unique. Make sure to keep watching because I'm going to reveal the site just in a bit. So for example, we can use over here, health is coming, US health workers start getting a vaccine. This is something that is trending right now. It's obviously popular because, well, the vaccine for the virus is obviously being distributed right now. And this is a topic or a trend we can use to make a lot of PayPal money with this. So just to recap, you need to come over to this website over here, news.google.com, and you want to go and choose any of these articles, open a few of them in a new tab. So let's right click on this, open this in a new tab. And what we want to go and do is we actually can pretty much just go and copy this entire article. So what we're going to do is we can, for example, start over here. We can start over here. At the end of this article, we can go all the way up. For example, end it there. And then you want to come over to this tool over here called Spinbot Millionaire.com. So this is a completely free tool that does article spinning, text rewriting, and content creation tool, which basically means it rewords articles into your own words that you can claim it as your own, because obviously now it's been reworded. There's no copyright issues or anything like that. So all we do is we paste this entire article over here. We're going to click on I'm not a robot, which is just a captcha, and then we click on go. And you can see here, just like this, Spinbot has the article written completely entirely for you that you can go and use as your own now. But don't worry, we're still not going to go and spam this with affiliate links everywhere. This is really going to be unique. So make sure to keep watching so I can show you how I made over $1,000 using the Spinbot tool and Google News so far. So over here you can see is your original article that you pasted, and over here is your entire written article in your own words that you can now go and use as your own without any worry about copyright issues. And once your article is done in your own words, you need to come over to this website over here called mailblue.com/best article writing sites for earn money online. So over here is 10 websites that is going to pay you for submitting articles. For example, this website over here on Wow Woman on Writing, $50 to $100. This website over here, Strong Whispers, $50 to $100. So all you do is you come over to, for example, Strong Whispers, and you can come over to get paid to write articles and take a look at this. All you do is you send us your best topic and outline for an article that would like to write along with your free expectations. Topic needs to be unique and high impact. We'll also ask you that you send us your current blog URL or URL to published work so we can understand your writing style. Step 2, after you've been invited to write for them, you may proceed to write your own articles and submit more on this website to make even more money online. So after you submit your article, it will be reviewed, and after review, you'll receive one of 3 emails: rejected, requires minor changes, or approved. If approved, it will be set to publish either immediately or at a future date. Once set to publish, you will be paid via PayPal, and that is anywhere from $50 to $150 per article. But how you make more than $1,000 with this is you use all 10 of these websites. Another website over here, linkable.com, which is $100 to $750 per article that you submit. So all you do is you can see the instruction is on each website. So you just pretty much click on this link over here. Each of them will have links. Let's open up this one over here. And over here, you can see you can apply to become a writer, submit your articles, and get paid when they are approved. So this is method via submission of approval. But the thing is, using articles already done for you from Google News. I mean, the fact that these articles are here, they are obviously the best quality articles in the world to just be listed on Google News. We're now just rewording that into our own words, making it as if it's our own article. And we can go and use that to submit that on all 10 of these websites to make money online. So for example, let's say we get approved, or at least one article approved on each of these websites. So let's take this 10th website. That's $100 plus this website over here. Okay, there's no pricing over here. Let's go this website over here. It's $50 to $75. Let's go $75. This website over here, let's say on average $100. This website over here on average, let's say $40. Plus this website over here on average, let's say $250. On this website over here on average $150. And this website over here on average, let's say $400, in between $100 to $750. So that's over $1,000 doing this, just using Google News, rewriting those articles with a free tool that just generates it for you into your own words. Go and submit to all of these articles. You can do this in so many different niches. You don't only have to submit one at a time, and boom, you can earn over $1,000 doing this if you get and set the goal of getting an article approved on each of these websites over here. And what you guys can also do is you guys can go and drop service articles onto these various websites. So you can come over to a place like Fiverr. For example, let's take this post over here. He's got 5 stars, very good ratings. He gives you, for example, 350 word article for about $30. You can go and use this article, post it on all 10 of these websites over here. If 1 or 2 of them approve, you make your money back instantly, and you're not even doing any of the hard work yourself. But already this Spinbot free tool is carrying and doing most of the work for you. Drop servicing of Fiverr is something that I do full time. I made just over 6 figures in 2020, drop servicing full time, various different high income skills, and all sorts of services off of Fiverr at huge markup and huge high ticket profits. But also, guys, quickly on the screen over here, make sure to go click on this playlist over here. So this playlist is all about drop servicing, selling high income skills, just as my 6-figure drop servicing bootcamp is down below in the link in the description. There's a whole bunch of free trainings over there. But this playlist over here is an entire 15 to 16 video playlist that I've made on YouTube completely for free that teaches you to sell tons of high income skills without actually doing any of the cold work yourself. So you are just the man in the middle transferring work and high income skills and experts work from one person to another, and you just keeping up huge market in the middle as the man in the middle while you're literally doing nothing. All you're doing is transferring that work. So it's a really new and highly profitable concept compared to something like drop shipping, and you can make a lot more money on one sale than that of drop shipping. So guys, make sure you click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you there.